So in this homework set, we are going to concentrate on the null hypothesis and the alternate hypothesis, and whether our test that we're going to do is left-tailed, right-tailed, or two-tailed. So there was a lot of information in your reading. However, concentrate on what this little piece is about, and then in the next section we'll talk about how we can apply the reading to the first examples of an entire hypothesis test. Right now, we're just doing the beginnings of it. All right, so let's look at this one. The blue catfish, and I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce that, is the largest species of North American catfish. The current world record stands at 143 pounds, which was caught in the John H. Kerr Reservoir, Bugs Island Lake, located in Virginia. According to the American Expedition, the average weight of a blue catfish is between 20 to 40 pounds. Given that the largest blue catfish ever caught was at the John H. Kerr Reservoir, you believe that the mean weight of the fish in this reservoir is greater than 40 pounds. Okay, now, part A. If you're going to test this claim at the 0.05 significance level, what will be your null and alternate hypothesis? Okay, so here's what we need to do first. Look at that last sentence. You believe that the mean weight of the fish in this reservoir is greater than 40 pounds. Our alternate is always what we want to prove. So we want to prove that the mean weight is greater than 40. All right, so with that in mind, if it's a mean, we want our symbol mu. If it's a proportion, we want our symbol p. This is a mean, so we want the symbol mu. So if we go to the drop-down menu here, we said we wanted the mean weight to be greater than 40 pounds. So there it is. There's mu greater than, and then let's fill in right here. All right. Now, that's our alternate. It's always what we want to prove. Whereas our null is going to be the opposite of mu greater than 40. All right, so let's look for the opposite of mu greater than 40. We'll need a mu less than or equal to. There we go. That's the opposite of greater than 40. So it's going to be less than or equal to 40. And then what type of hypothesis test should you conduct? Left, right, or two-tailed? Now, to tell what kind of test we're going to have, we look at the alternate and only at the alternate. This alternate has a greater than. Greater than points to the right. That makes it a right-tailed test. If it was a less than, it would be a left-tailed test. And then if it's a not equal to, it ends up being a two-tailed test. All right, so we have a right-tailed test because of the greater than. And there we've got it.